Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. We're at the Trails at Sycamore Walk down in Miamisburg today. This is an HOA condominium type of a community, so the customer had to follow the guidelines of the HOA. She had to get grids and everything. I don't believe they allowed the full screen, that's why she went with a half screen. And so we're going to go ahead and go on inside and take a look at what we did. It is a little wet outside today, but let's go on inside and take a look. All right, so there's a lot going on. Some of the windows outside were stone. I think it was just these two, and then we had some that were vinyl. But we're going to go ahead and walk back this way and take a look at this triple unit. Before we take a look at that triple, let's walk in here to one of the bedrooms. And so they did have to get grids in their windows as well and go from there. But this is the Endure. It is a triple pane, so they are getting maximum energy efficiency out of it. That one was unlocked when I walked up to it, but now it's not. There we go. So let's go on out here and take a look at this triple unit. This one here, just like any other twin or triple unit, they're mauled together. So this came out as one big unit. All three windows were put together when they came out, just like all the other Endure triples. The tilt-in latches are part of the locking mechanism. So it's a dual active. You've got open, then you've got tilt-in. And a lot of things, it happens a lot when somebody tilts in their window. When they put it back, this might shut just a little bit, and when it does, it pushes that top sash down because the lock is engaged. So when you get these windows, just remember when you're shutting them after you tilt them in or even open them, make sure that the lock lever is on the unlock symbol. And then when you shut it, locks pretty easy. Number one call once the windows are installed is the customer calls and says they can't get the windows locked, and usually it's because the lock lever is not all the way over on the unlock symbol. Just something to remember. So let's go outside and take a look on the outside of this triple. Here we are outside, just like the inside. Nice smooth piece, so it transitions nice where they're put together. When you do get half screens, they are extruded screen frames. That way they're a lot stiffer. But she had to follow the HOA on everything here, which was color, the grids, the screens, half screens. They didn't want full screens in here. But this wraps up this episode of The Customer's House. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, everybody.